Hello everyone. So how to install Files widget on iOS 14. So just tap and hold, then you can just tap plus icon in top left or top right, and then just search for files. That's how it looks like. This is basically your iCloud kind of files, and then just tap on your home button or something like that, and that's it. Then you will have your files available here, and then you can just open them easily, and then you can also just tap and hold and remove this widget as well. So that's how it works. If you like iCloud files, to use that app, which is here, just a standard app on iOS. If you like that, you can just simplify it, and I guess you can also add this widget and select specific folder which you want to be displayed and stuff like that. So that's how it works. Hope it is helpful.